Welcome to Phnom Penh, Cambodia. We just arrived the other day from 𝐒𝐻𝐴, the island. Make sure you go back and check on that. And it was quite the adventure. So today we're here in Phnom Penh, second day, and we're going on a little boat cruise. We're going to take a river boat, a sunset boat cruise. A river boat. There's probably going to be a lot of people on it. They're supposed to come pick us up. And they're not going to drop us off though, so we'll have to find our own way back. But here in Phnom Penh, they have Grab, thank goodness. Other parts of Cambodia do not have Grab. So we can just, and boom, somebody comes and gets us. It's pretty awesome. So we're going to have, this is a dinner cruise by the way, so we're going to have a little dinner cruise, probably play some music, and go up and down the river and watch the sunset. Maybe, I'm looking outside, it might be, we might get the sunset. So we're going to take you guys with us. Well, this is quite the coincidence. The driver who has come to pick us up with his tuk-tuk is actually the driver that picked us up from the bus station 2 days ago. He recognized us and we recognized him as soon as he walked in. This is what it's like to be in a tuk-tuk in the middle of Phnom Penh, Cambodia. It's quite crowded, but this guy's an expert driver, man. He just whipped around everything the other day for us. So he's supposed to be picking us up for the group. I had the lady that works there verify to make sure we're not going to get hit for more money, but who knows, man. You just don't know. Everything's up. Everything is. Yeah. Oh, there's a Marriott over there. Anyway. Guys, there's some guitars on their back. Must be a band. Anyway, we're heading for the water, and well, let's just say I think we're heading for the water. Wow. Okay. Not very many people on. All right. Well, this is our boat. It's almost empty. I think there's some people up top. Thank you. There's our captain. And that lady there just told me to move. Wow, so we got this boat to ourselves, really?
Hello.
Yeah, hi, how are you?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Yeah. Good spot. It's a good spot. Thank you. Wow. It's nice here. Okay, so here we are, guys.
We offer the welcome breakfast for you. Mocktail and cocktail. Which one do you want?
Mock or cock?
Yes, lemon cocktail.
I take a cocktail.
Cocktail.
Alcohol.
Probably cocktail.
Yeah,
Thank
alcohol.
You. Yes,
Yes, sir. Yeah, they're just gonna bring us one. Get one and be happy. Anyway, check out the pigeons here. Oh my God, there's millions of them. And there's up there, they're feeding them. And there's another boat tour going on over there. So this is very interesting because there's like nobody here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the little boy there is 5. And Leslie and me. There's 7 people on this boat. There's no way they're gonna run this boat for 7 people. I'm waiting for a big old tour bus to pull up. But anyway, for now, this is pretty cool. It's all wooden. And I believe our tour, there's another one. I think our tour is just gonna kind of go up and down the river here, and then we'll see all this stuff lit up tonight. We're not getting much of a sunset. There it is, there's your sunset. Because well, it's been cloudy almost every day here in Cambodia. So anyway, let's have a seat and wait for the tour to start. All right, well guys, we're gonna start this party with I don't know what, maybe tequila sunrise. I'm not sure. Hi there, how are you?
I'm doing good. No sand like that, but the sand like half-meter high from the water.
So not much on the boat.
No sand, you know.
Yeah. That's a big old boat. So there's a few tour boats. Still some more tour boats out here. That's a tour. That's a boat.
but not so many people.
No,
Just,
so they're all a bunch of empty boats.
just a couple people on the boat and they go. But they just take like 35 minutes, 40 minutes and back.
Oh, quick tour.
Yeah, quick tour. Yeah.
Yeah.
Quick tours.
Yeah.
Quick tourists.
Well, okay.
Yeah, good.
So what's that building? Is that a hotel?
A hotel, a Saka hotel.
Okay.
Like I said, nobody up there. Nobody.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
It's just empty.
Empty.
Yeah.
Later you can see it at the.
All right, guys, we're talking with the boat operator there for a while, and they gave me a little scoop. So Cambodia is one of the countries that was severely locked down for COVID. I mean, they just basically shut the place off and turned the light off. And they've just opened the country back up. I didn't really actually realize that. And the boat tours just restarted again too in the last month or two. So bottom line is there's nobody here. Now, yes, you see tourists, but in relative to the way it used to be pre-COVID, there's nobody here. And a good example is this very, very large hotel right there in front of me. He said, we'll see you tonight when the lights come on. There's nobody there. There's just only a few guests. So it looks like they got maybe some sort of a boat tour going right there over on the pier or over there. But so I said, well, there's a bunch of tour boats. Let's look. So tour boat, and another one coming up. And he said, yeah, but there's nobody on them. So let's go see. This one's coming up. I'm going to zoom you in. Okay, I can already see there's more people on that one than ours. I can already see that. Oh yeah. I'm gonna guess there's 25 people on that one, but that's not a dinner cruise. So we have a special kind of boat here set up.
Ferry, cars across.
Yeah, they got cars on the ferry over there. I think that would be because this is an island. Where this hotel is an island. There's quite a few little islands out here in the bay. So they're taking some cars over there. Yeah, that's our sunset, guys. It's behind all those clouds. We're not going to get one. But like I stated earlier, we've rarely seen a sunset in Cambodia. Always hazy. Did you know? Of course you don't know. But the person that owns this boat is from Texas, United States. Apparently he moved here in the, what'd they say? The
1996.
1996. He was in Thailand, he lived in Thailand. And then they moved here in 1996. He liked it so much, he stayed. He bought this boat. They said business was phenomenal all the way up to COVID. And then, well, you know the rest of the story. Well, we got a nice little spread down there. It was a little hard to film, so I'm just show you what I picked up. So I got a skewer, some fish and sauce, some rice. I think there's some kind of a slider, pork maybe, and one of these spring rolls with the clear wrapper and some sauce. And just let you guys know that this little shindig cost $28 a person. That did include the tuk-tuk ride over here. Does not include the tuk-tuk ride back, as far as I know. That was a little confusing, but I do not think so. So I think we'll have to pay the driver. And I'm gonna tell you what, it'll probably charge about $3 US. And that is worth a lot of money here in Cambodia. And he probably, most likely, will sit there for 2 hours and waiting on us till he can get that $3 from me.
go find tuk-tuk for you. My tuk-tuk.
All right, we'll be right over here somewhere. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Okay, guys, she's gonna help somebody do the boat, and then she's gonna go find us our tuk-tuk driver. I guess the same guy, maybe, I don't know. So we don't want to get too close out there because they'll attack us like vultures or something. So we'll just kind of chill out over here and wait for her. And if she doesn't show up, I'll call her Grab. Very easy in these large Asian cities. Grab is so wonderful. It is like the greatest invention on earth. Whoever started Grab, you're a genius.